A beach house in Malibu or a penthouse in Dubai is great. But how about a level of wealth that can afford not just a mansion, but one on wheels? Before diving into the most expensive RV out there, let's take a look at some extremely close competitors. Some of these monsters cost more than a Bugatti, and others are so rare they make Rolls-Royces look like budget rentals. Stick around, because number one is literally a spaceship that drives on land. 5. Volkner Performance S. There's a reason German engineering is well-renowned worldwide. Starting our list at number 5 is the Volkner Performance S, a precise, powerful, and just a little over-the-top piece of marvelosity on wheels. At first glance, it looks like a luxury tour bus, but once you step inside, it feels more like a 5-star suite at the Ritz-Carlton. The polished wood finishes, leather upholstery, and top-tier sound systems are designed for people who want to move with maximal comfort at all times. You'd think all of these are impressive, and then you find out the vehicle has a hidden garage tucked beneath it. With just one press of a button, the side of the Volkner slides open and lowers a platform that can fit a Porsche 911, Ferrari, or even a Bugatti inside. So if you ever feel like, man, I'd want to take the Bugatti out for a spin while on a remote trip, it's right there with you. Another proof that German engineering is a God-given gift to Earth is what this beast is packing under its hood. The Volkner packs a heavy-duty Volvo engine designed to haul both your mansion and your sports car without compromising on road performance and longevity. What's a luxury motorhome without customizations? The Volkner comes with personalized gourmet kitchens, personal offices, and king-sized beds that can take the original market price from $2.4 million all the way up to a cold, hard $7.7 million price tag. 4. The Heat. At number 4, we have a motorhome so cool it needed a name cool enough to match its status. This motorhome was famously named The Heat by legendary Hollywood actor Will Smith. If the Volkner is German precision, The Heat is pure Hollywood magic on wheels. Anderson Mobile Estates is the go-to brand for A-list celebrities who want their own private mansion on wheels, and The Heat is one of its crown jewels. This motorhome isn't just famous, it's literally made for the stars, and this reflects in its $2.5 million price tag. This double-decker motorhome is owned by none other than Will Smith. Will was kicking back in this futuristic baby while shooting some of your favorite movies, like the equally futuristic iRobot and Gemini Man. Even more impressive is the fact that when expanded, the Heat becomes more than just an RV as it unfolds into nearly 1,200 square feet of living space. Inside, you'll find a full-size kitchen, multiple bedrooms, luxury bathrooms, a lounge area, and even a conference room for Hollywood-level business meetings. Yeah, no studio apartment in Hell's Kitchen can boast that. The interior design of The Heat screams celebrity lifestyle. With its marble counters reminiscent of Will's TV home from the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, plush furniture, and entertainment systems that rival Hollywood recording studios on Sunset. The motorhome is not all about luxury and plush. It's also very practical for work purposes with its wardrobe apartment, makeup suite, and movie screening room installed. 3. Featherlite Coaches, Saint-Germain. Now, if The Heat is Hollywood extravagance, the Featherlite Coaches Saint-Germain is haute couture on wheels. At $2.5 million, this motorhome is less of a vehicle and more of a luxurious piece of art. Featherlite Coaches has become synonymous with extreme luxury customizations. The living area of the Saint-Germain feels like a private jet cabin, with ambient lighting and handcrafted details everywhere you look. These range from Italian leather and handcrafted wood to marble that looks like it was carved straight from a Roman Empire-era palace. This French masterpiece comes complete with a fully equipped kitchen, spa-like bathroom, and a bedroom that feels more like a luxury suite at the Four Seasons than an RV. But it would be unfair to only highlight the exterior of the Saint-Germain when the engineering is equally as impressive. Featherlite Coaches had smooth, silent travel with high-tech suspension systems at the top of their priority list when making these Saint-Germain. They want their customers to almost forget they are rolling on asphalt when traveling in the motorhome. And of course, the entertainment system is state-of-the-art with massive flat screens, surround sound, and satellite connectivity that keeps you plugged in no matter where you park. Second marathon coach number 1376. If Featherlite takes customization to the extreme, Marathon embodies pure class and poise. They are often referenced as the Rolls-Royce of motorhomes, and the Marathon Coach number 1376 shows you exactly why. Each Marathon motorhome is custom-built, tailored to its owner's every desire. And number 1376 is the magnum opus. Step inside the coach and you'll immediately understand why it's valued at an eye-watering $2.8 million. The talking touchscreen controls for lighting, climate, security, and entertainment, all synced up with your phone, give the coach a futuristic smart home vibe. It even has heated floors, a private cinema, and a high-end kitchen that would make Gordon Ramsay jealous. The interior design was made for old money with its modern and sleek handcrafted finishes. The bathroom alone feels like something out of a luxury spa, with rainfall showers, premium stone tiling, and mood lighting. This attention to detail is what really sets Marathon apart from its competitors. And while the inside was built for elegance, the heart under the hood makes sure it moves with confidence too. The coach number 1376 is powered by a Volvo D13 engine, delivering 500 horsepower and 1,850 pound-feet of torque. That's more than enough muscle to carry this rolling palace across highways with smooth, effortless authority. Uno, Marchi Mobile Element Palazzo. And now, the Emperor of RVs, the motorhome that makes the R in RV stand for royal. Topping our list of most expensive motorhomes in the world is the Marchi Mobile Element Palazzo, valued at a whopping $3 million. At the beginning of the video, we called this motorhome a spaceship on land, and I mean, it looks like it just drove straight from the future. The design of the Marchi Mobile Element Palazzo alone will make any billionaire spend some of their pocket change just to own this beauty. The spaceship-like curves, panoramic windshield, and glowing LED details make a Lamborghini or a McLaren look ordinary when parked next to this. But the exterior is not the only attraction of the Palazzo. Surely that alone wouldn't be worth the jaw-dropping price tag. The interior of the Element Palazzo features a sky lounge. Yes, a rooftop terrace that literally lifts out of the motorhome to give you a 360-degree view of your surroundings. A place you sip some champagne and enjoy the view wherever you park. But this is not the only panoramic part of the motorhome. The cockpit is equally as scenic, offering the driver nearly 180 degrees of vision, making it feel like piloting a spaceship. The interior combines futuristic tech with old-world luxury with its leather lounges, gold accents, and a lounge area that can rival the lobby of any five-star hotel. A status symbol of the Palazzo is that even if you can afford the huge price tag, it's still quite the difficult one to get a hold of, as only a handful were ever made. Owning one is like joining a secret billionaire club, a sort of automobile masonry. And while it carries just a 510 horsepower Volvo engine, the real power is in the impression it leaves. The Palazzo is not about arriving fast and early, but about making sure that everyone knows you've arrived. At $3 million, the Element Palazzo is the ultimate road palace. If you enjoyed this video, you'll definitely love these as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.